Hi, this is Tim from Latest 3DS Games, and I'm here with another online match. You can see I actually know who I'm playing against this time. It's Aston. We're having a bit of a Yoshi or Yoshi fest, and it's black versus white. Now I know Aston's a bit better than the, well, it's a lot better than I am at the game, so I'm gonna have to attempt to get some shots back. It is a little bit more evenly matched with Yoshi against Yoshi. Oops. And that was an outrageous shot there from Aston. There we go. That wasn't the best of shots. And I'm losing quite badly at the moment, but there's still time. Although, oh, that was a bit of outrageous lag there, so I'm going to let myself off from that one. Now, white is the more tricky one, and he's certainly being a bit more tricky at the moment. Did that go in? It did go in, oh dear. Oh, dearie me, got thrashed there. Okay, never mind. Didn't do too well there, but we're going to carry on. And we'll call that a practice. So I'm going to use my green Yoshi. We're going to be right-handed, and I've got a feeling I'm not going to do any better. I haven't got star version either, so we're just going to have to wait and see what happens. Managed to get that one back. Oh, but still didn't win the point. Oh, sneaked in there. And love 40 down again. And try to got that to that one. Oh, and got to that one. And got to that one. And got to that one. Oh, but didn't get to that one. Lost to love again. Come on. Okay. Trying a little tactic of running towards the net, but I don't think that's going to do me any favours either. If they're heading for another thrashing. Oh, dearie me. Dearie me. Tried to even it up with Yoshi versus Yoshi. So let's have another go. We're going to go blue Yoshi. Versus green. So I got a bit of speed this time. Let's see if it makes any difference. I don't think it's gonna, but hey, you can but hope. Oh dear me, he wasn't very quick then, was he? I was trying to at least win a point. I am at least making a rally of it, but that is about it at the moment. Okay, I could do with a few. Oh, dearie me. Could do with a few nice circles of power. Not one back there, that's no good for me. Oh, there you go. That was my chance to win a point, and I failed miserably with a terrible smash. So that was my own fault, really. So I'm going to lose again without winning a point. Oh, dearie me. Okay, so we're going to have one more go at this, and I'm going to try one more go with left-handed Yoshi. See if we can actually get a point. So let's see what we can do. Here we go. My last hope. And who are we going to be up? Oh, we're black against white again. This is my last chance. I need to at least, come on. I need to at least win some points here. Oh, that was a terrible fail there. Never mind. I can't even do it with a power shot. Okay. Yes! A point has been won. It's almost like a game. How am I supposed to get that back? Okay. Oh, and I just missed getting that one back. And I'm not going to get that one back. Oh, I didn't even bother attempting that one. Oh dear, this isn't looking good. I got that. Got there again. Oh, dear me. Match point down. Yes! 2 points. It's almost celebration time. Oh, and hang on a minute. Yoshi almost looked good then for a minute. Take that. 40-30. Oh, unlucky. I almost got to equal on that one. So that's the end of this little Yoshi or Yoshi demonstration. As you can see, I'm struggling against a better player, and we'll bring you some more, or I'll bring you some more in another video very soon. This has been Tim at Latest 3DS Games. Thanks.